Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to accept cash on Square. First, open your Square Point of Sale app on your smartphone or tablet. This is your central hub for all transactions. Next, you'll add your customer's items to the cart or simply enter a custom amount for the sale. Once ready, tap the Charge button to move forward to the payment screen, ensuring a smooth start to your transaction. On the payment screen, you'll easily select cash as the payment method. Then, accurately input the exact amount of cash your customer has given you. Square will automatically calculate and clearly display the precise change due, making the transaction quick and error-free. Finally, tap Tender to finalize the sale, and your cash drawer may automatically open if connected. 127. Square meticulously records every cash sale, ensuring your daily reports are accurate and comprehensive. These cash transactions are distinctly separated from your card payments and, importantly, incur no processing fees. It's a best practice to reconcile your physical cash drawer with Square's detailed reports at the end of each day. This vital step guarantees that all your sales are precisely accounted for and thoroughly tracked, maintaining excellent financial records. 1.10.14. To manage cash effectively, always maintain a secure and well-organized cash drawer with sufficient change. It's good practice to offer every customer a receipt, whether printed or sent digitally, as this builds trust and provides a record. Make sure to regularly deposit your cash earnings into your bank account to minimize the amount of cash on hand. Finally, thoroughly train your staff on all proper cash handling and Square procedures to ensure consistency and accuracy across your business. 127.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.